Hello everyone, welcome to the Lesson 5-1 warm-up. Make sure you're checking your warm-up as you watch this video to see if you did it correctly. So that's my dryer going off in the background. So the directions here say to simplify each expression. And simplify just means to combining like terms and simplify any operations that can be simplified. So if you take a look here, keep in mind that a like terms have the same variable and exponent. So for example, you can add x squared plus x squared to get 2x squared. They both have x's and they're both x squared, so then you can add them. They have a coefficient, an understood coefficient of 1, so I can add those two together to get 2x squared. So moving on to the warm-up problems. So you notice we've got negative x squared plus 2, and then we have a minus sign here, and then in parentheses it's 3x plus 4. Okay, since the 3x plus 4 is in parentheses, then we have to subtract both of these. I have to subtract the 3x and the 4. So a lot of people think of it this way. Distribute that negative, we get minus 3x and minus 4. Basically, I just distribute the negative sign to both terms in the parentheses. And then my like terms are negative x and negative 3x. I combine those two to give me negative 4x. And then I have a plus 2 and a minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is going to give me negative 2. And there is my answer. Negative 4x minus 2. On the next one, I've got 5x minus 9 plus 4x plus 5. Since you have a plus sign here, you don't have to worry about distributing a negative. And if it helps you to drop the parentheses, you can. You can do that because we're just adding. Or you can just look and see, okay, 5x and 4x are like terms, so I can add those together to give us 9x. And then we have negative 9 and 5. Those are our other like terms. So negative 9 plus 5 would be minus 4. And that's the answer to our second one. On number 3, we've got y minus 2 in parentheses minus 2y minus 10. Now remember what I said about subtraction. We had to subtract the 2y and subtract the negative 10. So I'll bring over the y minus 2, and then it's going to be minus 2y. And then since this 10 is already a minus, 2 negatives will make that a plus 10y. Watch out for those double negatives. So now I have y and minus 2y, which is going to equal out to negative, oops, I messed up right there. That should just be 10. Sorry, y minus 2y is going to be negative y, because it's like 1 here, 1 minus 2. And then negative 2 plus 10 is going to give us an 8. So I have negative y plus 8. And then on the last one, if we read this carefully, we've got a negative in front here, and then negative 2x plus 1, and then a plus sign, and then 12x minus 2. Whenever you see a negative in front of parentheses, it's the same idea as when you're subtracting in the middle. I'm going to distribute a negative 1 to both of these guys first. So this makes that positive 2x and minus 1. And then the plus 12x minus 2 can just be brought down. It doesn't need to change since there is a plus sign here. It only needs to change if there is a minus sign in between. And now I can combine my like terms. I've got 2x plus 12x, which will give us 14x. And then we've got minus 1 plus minus 2, and that'll give us a minus 3. And our answer is 14x minus 3. And so you will be needing these skills in today's lesson, and hopefully the Khan Academy from last week helped too. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.